I'm very much happy. I'm very much happy. After all, it will not only boost the party, it will boost the society, and then moreover, it will give a confidence to the, give a confidence to the people from the Meghalaya and then the party as a whole. I don't want to speak on his behalf because he himself has already said bluntly that he will never join the Congress party even in the future also. So we welcome everyone's decision. Let me tell you, I am the MP from the Meghalaya. You see, there was the MP from the Meghalaya from the Congress before also. P.A. Sangma was MP from the Congress. You know, everyone was MP from the, even P.A. Sangma was also the Chief Minister from the Congress. So Congress will never end, as I have told you. Congress will always grow, it will ever grow. Let me tell you, Congress is always in their heart, with the people's heart. So only thing is that we have to give a right candidature in the right, in the right area, like a good placement. We welcome them if they want to come back because you see, God has given us a free will, so you cannot judge on that. Sometimes that's why there is a devil actually. So devil is always behind to tempt them. Okay, that's why they have a free will. If they want to come back, they are, we welcome them. Now even our Madam Deborah, she has been working really hard, and because of her also, Sir Janet and his team has already rejoined with us. Thanks to
you.
Yeah, even yeah, everybody. Yeah.
So you look at the GHADC elections. Do you think Congress will make a huge impact?
It's not about the GHAD. It's about the people. If the people realizes that our Sikh schedule is going to be scrapped this and that way, or maybe it's going to be deduced into some kind of pulling out the power from the Sikh schedule. So all kinds of things are there. So that's why it's the people's choice. We just cannot command or direct the people to vote for the Congress. If the people thinks is right, if they think that they need a changes, then they might give back to the Congress. We plan good for the people. If the people wants to accept it, let them. It's the choice. We will try to do the best, because you see, one time Congress might be in the ruling, but that time the leaders were the same. You got my point. When the Congress was there, P.A. Sangma was there, Dr. Mukul was there, but since there is no more P.A. Sangma and then other leaders, we are here with even in the old bottle also we have got a new water. I mean, it's not the Congress is always there with the people itself, okay? But when the wrong candidature has been given in the area where they wanted, definitely people defected from that particular area. So Congress has not been out. Congress is always there, and Congress will be there.
You are averse to Mukul Sangma joining?
I think he himself has bluntly spoke about the not joining the Congress. I think you might have heard. I think you all have already written that particular stance where he stood, that he will never be joining Congress even in the future also, right? You see, for example, you see that's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Now he has realized, so he has come back, he has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him. That's why we are working on that one.